Hi, I'm Liz Hudson and I work for Yorkshire Flowerpots. There are 26 pots in the Yorkshire Flowerpots range, produced using state-of-the-art machinery. We added 5 new products to the range last year. The Yorkshire Flowerpots range is fired to temperatures in excess of 1050 degrees for up to 6 hours. Once fired, the pots are graded and packed ready for distribution. The Naylor Clough Mill range comprises 7 styles of pot in 2 different colours, leaf and mist. We will be introducing 2 new colours for 2021. They're currently on their way here, and that will double the range that we have on offer. The Naylor Lime Tree range comprises 55 different styles of ceramics, from wall pots, wall decorations and planters, all hand painted in Spain. We will be adding a new wall decoration to the range this year, Super Sun. The Naylor Patio Pots range is a range of high quality machined terracotta from Italy, ranging from planters, half pots, bowls, troughs, antique finished pots and bell pots.